Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Yassine, and this right here is the Galaxy Note 10. So I went ahead and ordered the Note 10 and not the Note 10 Plus because the Note 10 Plus is really big. And if you've seen my Galaxy Note 9 1 year later review, you know that one of the things that I complained about in that video was the size of the Galaxy Note 9, and the Note 10 Plus is just bigger than that. So I went ahead and got the Note 10. I know it's not the cream of the crop, or it doesn't have all the crazy specs like the 10 Plus does, but I just can't deal with large phones. So anyway, let's take a look at what we have inside the box. So this looks like a very traditional Samsung box. You have the Note writing up here, and then the stylus on the front, and then on the side it says the Galaxy Note 10. On the other side there's nothing, and then you got a couple of barcodes on the top and bottom, but then on the back it says unlocked by Samsung. And then it's got 256 gig storage. There's really nothing else written on here that's talking about the specs. So let's open that box up real quick. So if we get right into the box, you're gonna see the Galaxy Note right in front of you. And then on the right hand side right here, we have the little booklet. On the back, it's got the SIM eject tool right there. It's kind of dusty actually. I don't know why it's dusty, but anyway, let me open up inside. There's the booklets, the quick start guide, and other stuff like that. Let's put that over there. If you pull up the tab, we have the phone. Oh, it looks really nice. And obviously I have the Aura Glow one, but it's not as crazy as it looks in those pictures that you see. Like when you take a look at this, yeah, it's shimmering if I move it around, but when I'm looking at it, it's not as crazy as the pictures that you see online. So let's put that aside and see what else comes in the box. I think it's just usual Samsung stuff. So we have the fast charge brick right here, and then over here in the middle we have the adapter, USB-A to USB-C adapter. And then right in that same box, we have the little tool for the S Pen when you want to change the tips around. And then in the middle compartment, we have our charging cable. It's USB-C to USB-C, just like any other cable. And then right after that, we have the actual headphones that are included in there. They have a nice braided cable, which I like, and a bunch of different tips that you can exchange with the tips that are already in there. And obviously it's got inline controls and it is USB-C. So that's all the cool stuff. But let's move all that stuff away and jump into the phone right here. Okay, so initially, this thing is not that big. It's like, here's the Galaxy Note 9 and this is the Note 10, and look at the size, look at the difference. Like, I can put my fingers together with this one, and this one I can't even make it reach unless I stretch. So if we look at both phones, you can tell that the Note 9 is way bigger than the Note 10. The Note 9 has a 6.4-inch display, and the Note 10 has a 6.3-inch display, and that's just 0.1-inch display difference, but the size is way different. And I believe that's because this one's display to body ratio, screen to body ratio is roughly somewhere in the 80s. I'll put it somewhere here on the screen. And this one is in the 90s. So that means if they kept the same display size or got smaller by a 0.1 inch, but because there's no bezels, they're able to make the phone a lot smaller. So this is what it looks like right next to the Galaxy Note 9. And let me bring in the Galaxy S10 that I'm rocking, and that's what it looks like right next to the Galaxy S10. So you could see that it is a lot smaller than the Galaxy Note 9, and the Galaxy S10 and the Galaxy Note 10 are almost similar in size. And from a hand perspective, it's not that big of a difference. So if you were worried about the size, I honestly would say that the Galaxy Note 10 is not that bad. So in terms of other physical differences, you'll notice that the punch out for the camera is right in the middle. So far, I don't know how I feel about it, but after I use it for a couple of days, I'll let you guys know if it bothers me or if I don't really care about it. The power button has moved to the left. I personally like it where the thumb is, but I don't mind where it is right now, so it's not that big of a deal. But if I had to choose, I would keep it where the thumb usually is. There's no headphone jack right here. You got the S Pen down here. And other than that, the other big difference here is the camera. Now it's in a vertical orientation, 3 different cameras. This one doesn't have all the other sensors like the Galaxy Note 10 Plus does. But honestly, I'm gonna have to wait to see if that makes a big difference in terms of taking pictures. So anyway, this was just the unboxing. I'm gonna go through this whole setup, take my SIM card out of the S10 that I've been using, and see how this phone feels from using it every single day. I really do like the design of it. The display going edge to edge is just incredible, and this finish on the back is really nice. So anyway, that was a quick unboxing. I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If there's anything that you guys want me to focus on while I'm doing my full review, which should be out in about a couple of weeks, let me know. And I'll be answering your questions. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I'm always responding to you guys over there. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If it's your first time to my channel, definitely consider subscribing. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged. Oh wait, I almost didn't do the best part of unboxing a video right here. I was just about to do it after I stopped, and I realized that's the best part. So we're gonna take off the back glass screen protector. I am gonna keep the front one on until I get an actual glass screen protector because I don't want to damage that display. But anyway, let's do this. That's always very satisfying. All right, anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, stay plugged.